Welcome to the BariGirls Kitchen. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
Well, today we're here making it count by making turkey, chicken, and salmon burgers and a variety of in-house market deli sides. These are great for tailgating and sporting events for our grab-and-go lifestyles.
Oh yes, first up we have our turkey burgers. Now, compared to beef, turkey is much lower in fat and has less cholesterol.
Fantastic. And turkey is also a great source of beneficial vitamins and minerals like magnesium and niacin. And to up the flavor profile of your turkey burger, you may want to use seasonings that you may not have thought of, like parsley, oregano, thyme, savory garlic, and even chili flakes.
Yes, definitely. Our side of turkey burgers, we have paired it with Hen House Market's deli sweet and sour cucumber salad. Oh my goodness, Mom, you know this is one of my favorites, not because of the fresh flavor of the cucumbers, but if you didn't know, cucumbers are 95% water. They're full of electrolytes and potassium. Oh, this is just making it count all the way around. Plus, they help reduce sodium-induced water retention, thus lowering your blood pressure.
Delicious and beneficial. Great. Next up, we have our salmon burgers. Now, salmon is high in omega-3, and diets that are high in omega-3 help improve our cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of stroke and heart attacks.
Yes, Mom, but also salmon is an excellent source of vitamin B12, vitamin D, and psyllium. All of these things really help with our cell damage, protecting against cell damage, and also making sure that we make it count with building strong bones.
And we've paired it with our Hen House Market Deli Oriental Crunch Salad.
Oh, crunch, 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 crunch.
Now, in addition to the deliciousness of this salad, it has major amounts of vegetables like flight green beans, broccoli, carrots, sunflower seeds, and cabbage.
Last, we have our chicken burgers. The benefit of chicken is that it helps aid in your weight loss, keeping you fuller longer, preventing you from overeating.
And we pair that with Hen House Deli's Healthy Salad. I love that name. Can't go wrong with that. It's loaded with vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers.
Oh my goodness, it has like everything in here.
There you have it. Great new ways for you and your family to eat healthy. And remember, Hen House Market has chef-prepared trays that are convenient for tailgating and picnics.
Grab, go, and enjoy. Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more healthy, flavorful, and fun recipes.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count.
The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House. BariGirls out.